In this presentation, we will discuss how to remove the date and time stamp on reports, specifically the balance sheet report within QuickBooks Online. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. Note, as we do this, it will be applicable to most reports. In other words, most reports will have the similar date and time stamp that will be there by default if we print the reports or export the reports, and we can remove those in a similar fashion with most reports. Here we are on our sample file, Greg's Design and Landscaping Services. We're going to go down to the reports section once again. We're going to be looking at the balance sheet, which is probably in our favorite reports, but if it's not, you can go down to the business overview and select that balance sheet. Within the balance sheet, we're on the date range of January 1st, 2018 to December 31st, 2018. If you've worked with the desktop version, you'll note that there's typically a date and time in the upper left of the reports. There's a similar feature in QuickBooks Online, but you can't really see it unless you go to the print preview. So let's go ahead and say if we were to print this report, then we're going to go to the print preview option. If we scroll down to this little preview section, we'll see at the very bottom, we've got the accrual method, Monday, December 31st, in the time here. So we want to basically remove that. If we don't want that at the bottom of the report, how can we then remove that? We're going to close this back out then. We're going to close this back out. We're going to scroll up to the Customize Reports. We're going to select Customize Reports. Typically the default will be the General will be open, those being also in or... We're going to scroll back up and go to the Customize. So we'll use the Customize option. I'm going to minimize the general information. We're looking down here into the header and footer information. So we're going to select the header and footer information. We're focusing at this time in this footer area down here where it says date prepared, time prepared, report basis. This will typically be there in most reports, and it'll be a default that these will be selected. If we don't want them, then we can go in here and deselect these items, of course, and say, all right, now we're going to run that report. Once again, we don't see a change on the report, of course, but when we go to the print preview, if we were to say print and take a look at the preview section within the printing and scroll down, we now have removed the date and time from it. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.